Welcome to Utopia. In this video, we will host a website locally on our computer. We will use XAMPP web server from Apache to accomplish this. You can use any appropriate web server solution. Utopia is a unique ecosystem specifically designed to protect the privacy of your communication and the security of your personal data. When you make a website available within the Utopia ecosystem, you gain access to countless Utopia users while keeping your actual hosting location confidential. In addition to websites, you may make available any of your web resources, including email, SSH server, audio-video streaming, and so on, using the TCP packet forwarding functionality of UNS records. Log into your Utopia account. Click on Tools at the menu bar, then select UNS Manager. A registered UNS record is required to host a website. Click on the tab Packet Forwarding. Start your web server. We're using XAMPP web server and starting Apache HTTP server. Click the Add button. In the first field, select the UNS record you want associated with the website. Enter listening port number 80. In the second field, enter the IP address of your local web server, usually 127.0.0.1. Enter the forwarding port number next to the IP field, usually 80. Check the option Immediately Start Packet Forwarding after creation. To complete UNS packet forwarding setup, click Create. Now, you and all other Utopia network participants will be able to visit your website through the native IDLE browser. Enter the name of the associated UNS record in the address field of your IDLE browser. Your website is successfully loaded. Congratulations!